Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11 Pro, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic date and time. So first of all, let's tap on this first option and tap on off, and now we can freely tap on date and choose the date from the calendar. Confirm it with OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from the clock and confirm it. We've got also the automatic time zone. So first of all, let's tap on the switcher here and tap on the time zone. Tap on the region, and here we've got the list of available regions, so find yours and then tap on it. Now let's go back and it will be immediately applied. We can also decide what kind of clock format we want to use. So right now we've got the automatic option, so let's turn it off, and we can either use the 12-hour format, which is applied right now, or use 24-hour one just by turning on this option. So it's totally up to you. This is the manual customization, of course, and if you'd like to go back to automatic options, just tap on those switchers here, and on this first section tap on use network provided time or GPS provided time. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.